In the heart of what was once neon and noise, life speaks again, through living cells that remember their light.
When humanity returned to nature's economy, life itself became the only wealth, measured not in numbers, but in light within every living cell.
The heart of a nation beats again, not in marble or power, but in roots and sunlight.
Three forms of life, one timeless pattern, from child to man. The same light flows unchanged.
Where stone once honored power, life now honors light, the living breath of the earth itself.
Photosynthesis, the original light technology. Through raw food, we receive that same energy untouched. The biophoton current of living Earth.
Cooking destroys the light inside the cell. Raw fruit preserves its photons, the microscopic life energy that feeds our own living system.
From the living sea to the living seed, everything breathes as one.
Where fire once shaped the earth, light now shapes the soul.
Life feeds on life, not on memory. The light returns to all who choose the living path.
Beneath the hills where fame once ruled, new stars rise, born from living soil.
Bridges once carried engines of smoke. Now they carry songs of light.
Biophotons keep the communication between cells alive. In this way, the DNA code remains intact.
He taught that life must feed on life, not on the memory of it.
With the beginning of living food, a blessed era begins. In the bamboo kitchens of Eden Shore, harvests are prepared raw and vibrant. Pineapple, mango, macadamia tahini, food that's as alive as the reef it springs from.
3 generations, one pulse of light. The living never age, they simply continue.
Raw vegan life restores the body through living cells. Each leaf, each fruit still holds its biophotons, the light that keeps our cellular data alive.
Arshavir Hovhannissian discovered that living cells emit coherent light, biophotons, the foundation of cellular awareness. His work redefined food as a form of consciousness. Today, within this archive, his vision continues to illuminate the living world.
In these living communities, energy and nutrition come directly from sunlight, transferred through plants, and preserved through raw living food.
Raw vegan life teaches coexistence. When we no longer consume death, all beings share one breath of living harmony.
In living soil, children learn that every cell carries its own light. Biophotons connect each form of life, a universal network of awareness.
Freedom found its roots again, this time in the soil.
the stones remember how light once lived. And through us, it lives again.
A new civilization began with a forgotten idea that life must feed on living cells. Arshavir Hovanesian's raw eating became the cornerstone of the post-industrial era, where health, ethics, and consciousness finally aligned with nature.
In the heart of the new Earth, every cell celebrates. Alive, aware, eternal.
Biophotons guide cellular harmony. When the body keeps its inner light alive, peace returns to every living being.
When every cell remembers its own light, the Earth itself begins to dream again.